Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make stir-fry vegetables with soy sauce, full guide. Start by chopping all vegetables evenly, slice tofu into cubes, and mix soy sauce, a sweetener, and minced garlic. Heat your wok until just smoking, add oil, then aromatics, then vegetables in order of density. Toss quickly to coat in sauce, finish with sesame oil and green onions, and serve immediately for best texture and flavor. Use high heat and keep your ingredients moving to get a crisp, tender texture. Add vegetables in stages. Start with hearty pieces, then medium, then quick cooking items like spinach or bean sprouts. Use a metal spatula or tongs to toss, and add sauce near the end so it reduces without steaming the vegetables. Finish with a splash of sesame oil and a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds for aroma and depth. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more easy recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Trees Black Ice for a fresh ride and chuckle about matching your kitchen aromas. Check the description for the product link and other deals if you want to pick one up. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. A simple sauce of soy sauce, a touch of sweetener, and rice vinegar creates a balanced flavor profile. For a glossy finish, whisk a small cornstarch slurry with cold water and add it at the very end while stirring. Customize heat with chili flakes or fresh ginger, and try nutty additions like crushed peanuts or cashews. This approach adapts easily to whatever produce you have on hand for quick weeknight meals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.